show.
Yes, she is. And next to her is this actor, also from the top corner.
Yeah, I know him, Rick. Hi, Wins.
Oh, Miss Bella, I have to tell you something.
So, what do you want to talk about, Stacy?
Did you know that you're going to the Leader Day?
And how on earth did you know about that?
Well, I might be mistaken, but is it really true?
It is true, but I haven't told the others until now.
What happened to Dolores yet?
Negro Day will be removed, and we are not allowed to go to their show anymore.
But, Mom, you bought this for the big show. But why did they remove Leader Day?
Stacy, I think it's time for you to know that some white people, especially Cordelia, dislike that thing. She didn't support the idea of Negro Day from the start, saying that nobody would actually watch the show.
You know about this?
Yes, I'm part of the Chuck Collins show, so I know how much Cordelia hates black people.
So, is Negro Day just once a month because they dislike black people from the start?
You're right, Betty. We became an afterthought in the show. They almost cut out Negro Day. That's why they make it once a month, and even though we don't want to.
You can change their perspective on you, Miss Bella.
You all deserve respect and equality. I mean, we're all the same here. I know how hard you work for Negro Day, and you all deserve peaceful lives.
I can't let you be belittled or removed from the show, Miss Bella. I want them to see how great you are.
But Stacy, you'll get in trouble for what you're doing.
Oh, Miss Bella, fight something. I won't get in trouble just because we're fighting for what's right.
So, what's your plan, Stacy?
Go to the station. Let's protest there.
But Stacy,
Oh, come on, Wiz. I can't stand to see black people get underestimated.
You're right, Stacy.
Baka mag-asista.
Everyone, let's bring back on what's ours for Negro Day.
For Negro Day!
Now that's the spirit.
What did you tell us, Mom?